Imagine yourself standing in the heart of Moscow, surrounded by the rich history and vibrant culture of Russia. The domes of St. Basil's Cathedral shimmering in the sunlight, the bustling energy of Red Square, and the whispers of 1,000 histories waiting to be discovered. You have always dreamed of this moment, and now you are wondering, how can I learn Russian fast? In this video, we will unveil the secrets of mastering the Russian language quickly and effectively. We will provide you with the tools, techniques, and insights to help you not only learn the language, but also connect deeply with the people and their culture. To learn Russian fast, you must first embrace its uniqueness. Start by familiarizing yourself with the Cyrillic alphabet. Though it may seem daunting at first, you will find that many letters are similar to those in Latin alphabet. With dedication and practice, you will soon be reading and writing like a native. Once you have become comfortable with the alphabet, focus on building a solid foundation of grammar and vocabulary. Start with the basics. Learn the most common verbs, nouns, and adjectives, as well as the essential grammatical structures. By mastering these fundamental elements, you will pave the way for more advanced learning. Next, immerse yourself in the language. Listen to the Russian music, watch Russian movies, and engage in conversations with native speakers. Don't shy away from using what you have learned, even if you are not perfect. Practice makes progress. To accelerate your learning, consider using language learning apps, online courses, or even hiring a tutor. These resources can provide you with structured lessons, personalized feedback, and the opportunity to practice your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. Language learning apps have become a popular and effective way to learn Russian quickly. Many of these apps, such as Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise, offer engaging and interactive lessons that cater to different learning styles. They incorporate gamification elements, making the learning process enjoyable and motivating. Some apps even focus on specific aspects of the language learning, such as vocabulary building, pronunciation, or grammar practicing. Online courses like those offered by websites such as Udemy or Russian RT, which in my humble opinion is the best course, provide structured learning experiences that often include video lessons, exercises, quizzes, and additional resources. Some courses even offer live classes with professional teachers, giving you the opportunity to ask questions and receive real-time feedback. Online courses can be a great way to learn at your own pace while still benefiting from a comprehensive curriculum. Hiring a private tutor can be a highly effective way to learn Russian quickly. A tutor can provide you with personalized lessons tailored to your specific needs, goals, and learning style. They can help you point areas where you need improvement and provide targeted guidance to help you overcome any challenges. With a tutor, you will have the opportunity to practice speaking with a native speaker, receive immediate feedback, and ask questions that may not be covered in more general resources. Whichever method you choose, make sure to select one that best suits your individual learning preference, scheduling, and budget. It's important to remember that consistency and regular practice are key to successful language learning. As you progress in Russian language journey, don't hesitate to combine multiple learning methods. This will not only keep your study sessions fresh and enjoyable, but also ensure that you are exposed to a variety of perspectives and learning techniques, maximizing your chances of success. So, embrace the opportunities that technology and modern learning methods have to offer. With the right tools and determination, you can learn Russian faster than you ever thought possible. Together, we will unlock the door to a whole new world of understanding and connection. Remember that learning Russian is about much more than just words and grammar. It's about understanding the people, their culture, and the emotions that connect us all.